Okej, då försöker vi igen. Vi glömde liksom nyss att trycka in den här räckknappen. Så att, men nu är vi i Canyonland igen. För andra gången. Mitt sista projekt. Och igår kväll när jag kom hit var det svenekallt. Och det natten har varit svenekallt. Och inte nog med det, igår kväll när vi skulle laga mat så gick spisen ut. Vi fick laga maten över öppen eld. Men nu håller vi på att laga mat. Några är iväg och handlar nya grejer. Ny spis vill säga. Och vi har så här in i sadan med mat med oss den här gången. Now you're on live. And keep. No!
Welcome to second edition of Cooking with Ace.
Yeah.
Should I show it again, maybe?
Please.
Now with another mushroom we have the vegetables.
Yeah, great.
And onions again, yes.
Yeah, cut by
My co-star.
co-star, Samja.
And we have Emmanuel now cutting the meat.
No, okay.
I repeat, last time was Antoine.
I repeat. Yeah, but you're pretty much better, I see. You're soon done.
No, it just took forever.
Yeah, it took forever to. You only need a lifetime.
With Antoine, I have a hard time believing it. Well, and Magnus, what Magnus did.
Yeah, what Magnus did.
Well, he actually did a little bit more this time. Just standing around. He was filming us, but forgot to put on rec. So this is actually the second time we do this. But other than that, of course, he
Maybe it was.
the garbage.
Yes.
We give him the garbage, and he separates it in the garbage bin.
Maybe. Otherwise, it would blow away, and it would be like hell here.
Yes. Full of onions everywhere. And that would stink.
That's for sure.
That's true. Another interesting thing, Emmanuel tonight realized why he doesn't wear
Yeah.
because of garlic.
He eats a lot of garlic and onion. Antisocial. I realized. Sorry, Dad.
He won't show. I won't show you in this video.
Okay. Well, I don't know if we should.
Something
come back.
more to add? What will we eat to these vegetables tonight?
Yeah. How we cook today?
Well, if you didn't realize it, he was actually cutting meat.
Okay.
And that's maybe we're thinking about eating that tonight. We might
How
not.
we cook vegetables? We have sour cream.
Yeah.
We have salsa.
Salsa.
We have butter.
Yeah.
We have trail mix.
And to this we eat. Do we have mashed potatoes?
Yeah, sure. We forgot about that.
Yeah.
What the mashed potato?
Mashed.
Potatoes. I hate them.
I've never had them actually.
That's good.
And how do you say it in Danish?
Kartoffelmos.
Kartoffeln is
Oh, come on, that's not like
kartoffeln is
And how do you say it in Dutch?
Aardappelpuree.
don't cough. Just say the word.
Yeah.
You cough.
Yeah. Say it again.
Aardappelpuree.
I don't know, Papa.
I don't know.
How do you say it in Italian?
Actually, it's a French word we say in Italian. We say puree.
Puree.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a French
Oh,
word.
that's like puree.
Puree.
Yeah.
Now the Swedish
Yeah,
one.
the French is puree, and we say puree.
Potatismos. Fast, but in
It's mus.
mus. Mus. But in
Potato. Do you cook it?
potatis. But in Skånska, in my part of Sweden, we say päramus.
Päramus.
No, a pear. It's
That's
like
a pera, yeah. And it's in Danish too. Pera.
Pear?
Kartoffel, yeah.
Kartoffel, yeah,
We
but
can
pear-
say kartoffel too.
Pear is a
Kartoffel
fruit.
is German.
Yes.
No, that's päron.
No, that's pear in Danish.
But
So we say,
kartoffel
you say
is German,
pearmos,
no?
actually.
Ferdinand?
Yeah, in my part of.
Kartoffel is German.
Yeah, we say kartoffel.
No, it's German. We
Kartoffel.
don't trust you.
Okay, I'm really German.
Try another one.
Try another.
Try another one. Yeah, we have
Puree.
No, which other word should we explore tonight?
That sounds more Danish.
Mushroom.
Mushroom, yes.
We just say champignon. It's a
Champignon?
No?
champignon.
Yeah, but we have all the mushrooms. You know, there is a lot of kind.
Yeah.
This is.
What do you say,
English,
Sonja?
champignon.
Paddenstoelen.
Paddenstoelen.
That's all the mushroom
Yeah.
things.
Oh.
A mushroom
Swamp.
is champignon.
Yeah, that's for us too. And for you?
Right.
Champion.
Fungi.
Oh yeah, fungi. Yeah, yeah.
Champignon is a type of fungi.
Okay.
Okay.
Champignon is a type of paddenstoelen.
We have a lot of. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah, it will be a very interesting movie.
No, not really.
Yeah.
It is cooking with Ace, so we should talk about food, right? And we're
Yeah.
very good at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can talk about it.
Life?
Yeah.
What do you think about life?
Yeah. What will happen when we die?
No, I think I really appreciate life after 8 days project. When we go to eat Burger King. That's
Yeah,
really fun.
that is life. Yeah. Maybe
You
not.
take a shower.
Yeah,
Yeah.
shower. That's so good.
When you sleep in your bed, eat fun stuff. That's nice.
When you go out and get yourself so drunk that you cannot hear, see, or walk.
That's what you usually do, Pernilla. No.
Not like I know about it, it's just, I heard.
Yeah.
Driving back with the van with all the crew.
Yeah.
The smell,
Sleeping, not just driving back.
sitting next to
Talking about
Emmanuel
it.
and his vanilla Christmas tree. That's nice.
Yeah. I know. Hearing Magnus laughing when you are hardworking, that's nice.
Oh, thank you, man.
It's
Yeah.
really good. Makes
Yeah.
you feel better.
It makes you feel better. Yeah, your laughter really makes us feel better. I just want to say that to all the people in Sweden who will watch this. To Magnus's
You should, yeah,
Mom
put
and
your
Dad.
laughing in on.
and his sister.
Ooh.
Mom and Dad and sister. Yes.
You remember that? That I
Yes.
have a sister?
Yeah, I remember. And she's 180.
Yeah, yeah, we talked.
But that's what I know about her. Yeah.
Yes, my parents still play basketball.
Yeah, they go.
Not in NBA anymore, but
He retired.
yeah.
They had so much money. And then they moved to Sweden.
Yeah,
That's actually cool.
and I was born.
Oh.
You were born.
You were born?
Yes.
You come with the stuff.
The stork, you say that too?
Yeah. I don't know what you call it in English.
Yeah, in a certain way, everybody comes with a big bird.
Yeah, we...
We, do you say stork in English?
No, we say... I don't know. We say it in big.
Yeah, maybe.
The big one. Like
The
in
big
the
one.
Disney movie Dumbo.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe that's all over the world they say that.
Yeah. Maybe they do. Okay.
I thought it was only my mom and dad who told me that.
No. My mom and dad too. Maybe they know each other.
Yeah.
Pia Jørgensdag.
Pia Jørgensdag? Yeah.
Pia og Jørgensdag.
Yeah.
Pia and Jørgensdag.
Yeah, Pia and Jørgensdag.
Stay. Yeah.
Yeah.
My parents.
Yeah.
You know them. If you do, contact.
Your daughter is waiting for you.
In the middle of the desert. I'm not really sure of where.
But you're really good, Antoine, Manuel.
Now you get. Okay. Was that also Antoine quality?
A little bit. A lifetime slower.
Yeah,
When did you eat that?
I don't know. A lot of time.
For breakfast.
So, yeah. You were still here, cutting the meat.
Okay.
Now we're on the last minute on this tape, just so you know. So if you have something important to say.
I love you, Magnus.
Oh, thank you. Say it again when I,
I
zoom.
love you, Magnus.
Thank you. And you, Pernilla? I'm just waiting for the magic words.
You have 1 minute.
Yeah.
I guess I love you.
You guess.
No, I love you, Magnus.
Oh.
You know that from day one. Yes.
And you, Emmanuel?
Rock and roll!
You didn't say the best.
No, but that's enough from you.
Magnus rocks.
Yeah.
That's good. That's like I should say.
Yeah. How we say that we love each other.
You rock.
Fuck, man.